Hi there, if you're looking for an easy way to organize your cables, wires and label them in a proper way, then I highly recommend to look at this wrap and storage labels. So I actually have right here, it's a pack of 36. And this is all white ones, as you can see. And this all colorful, so you can actually choose which one fits better. Maybe you have different projects and you want to be more specific in the colors. But I actually like to have white ones. It's very easy to write on them, very easy to see. And you can see right inside here, it's like a Velcro. So when you put it around your cable, it's very easy to put it all together. So right here, I actually have a speaker and I need to label it. So let's actually write on one of this and put it on. So this one is actually Cyber Acoustic Speaker. And you can see it's very easy to write on it. And then we can just unvelcro it. You can put it around the cable and just velcro it all back. And you can also write on both sides. It's very easy, looks perfectly organized. Overall, if you're looking for organizing your cables, wrappers, this one is the way to go. Highly recommend to check them all out. Thanks for watching.